Greetings, everyone. My name is Vieni. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, a lot of you might be asking a lot of questions. Where have I been? Why not being consistent? Where is the YouTube video I promised you guys? So, there comes an analysis I dropped in my inner circle where I told my pals that I'm aiming for all-time high. So, I made a swing trade that gave us 2,000 pips profit just by swinging XAUUSD. So I'll be giving you guys a top-down analysis on how I caught that. Though I don't know where I stopped, but I'll be making analysis when we took out the all-time high, the last previous all-time high on gold, and how we came about aiming for another all-time high right now. So let's jump into the chart and show you guys how we did that. So right now we are going to play the chart to where we took out all-time high, the first all-time high at 3,500. So you can see that we are bullish, series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I think this is the candlestick at 3,500. I'm trying to zoom my candlestick because I'm using a big screen and I don't know. People are saying that they don't see my charts well. So right now we have our first pullback, series of higher high, higher low, higher high. This is our first pullback. So let's map it out. So this is liquidity that needs to be taken, which it has been taken out right now. So we should be aiming for, let's put our price here. So this last candle, so here, this last bearish candle is the other block. These are reconstruction. These are reconstruction. So our aim will be from here, our SL will be this low, safer SL. So our aim will be to this block right now, to the block right now. So let's play the chart and see how it went. It actually picked us. Let's see. Yes, it's picked us. So let's shift our chart to this place. It's almost used this. I think it's used this at a sniper level, but well, still the same, all good. So let me keep zooming my chart. So I think we're almost TP. So we are expecting a pullback to the downside. Then that side will serve as our buy side liquidity for us to get a break of structural fee. So now we have gotten our first pullback, which is this. Let's wait for a change of character. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Now, price, price will, price will come and sweep here. Price will come and sweep here. Use here as a liquidity share you grab, because this was actually the first pullback. But you know, at every inducement, at every inducement, we have always get a reaction. Share you grab. So this is the reaction we are getting right now, which we write to this place. So now price will come and use this zone right now. We are seeing as a liquidity for a push up to clear this buy side liquidity. So let's mark out this zone right now. So now this is the nearest support right now and a breaker block, but we need to refine that breaker block. And I don't know if I have discussed this before. In a POI like this, which corresponds to this block, this is a hidden block. It's a very strong reversal pattern that gives a good reversal opportunity. So let's use that as our entry, or you can use this block right now, though your SL will be wide. Once you mark out this block, maybe 50% of the block, then you put your SL at the low of this pullback right now. So let's use this one, then put our SL at the low of this place right now. So here will be our this thing. So right now, if we are taking from here, then we are aiming to take out this buy side liquidity. We are aiming to take out this buy side liquidity. So now let's play the chart and see what the chart has for us. So sweep here. Yes, we got a reaction, and now we are in. We are in. We are in. We are in. I don't know. Let me remove this line so that our chart will be beautiful. Our chart will be beautiful. Okay, let me just use a line to show you guys, okay, where we root a buy or sell, something of this nature. So I don't know whether you guys can see it actually. So right now, this thing, lots of people that will say, I did not see your line, I did not see your line. So right now, let's play the chart and see how it goes. So we are aiming for a buy side liquidity. So right now you all can see we are having series of high, low. This one mitigated this one. This one, there is a breaker block here that mitigated this one. So this breaker block is yet to be mitigated. So we are still coming to where we cut our this thing. So we are waiting for the first our pullback, which give us an inducement. Then we use this breaker block to continue. Let's play our charts. We have gotten our pullback. Saying the pullback is not clear, but let's map it out. Let's map it out. So we have got is our initial pullback. So let's map this zone out. So now we can either continue our chart from here, then our SL, safest SL is here, or you can shift your SL to your risk appetite, then to this high. So let's play the chart and see how it goes. Yeah, we are in, 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 we are in. So this is first pullback. This is this thing, a breaker block. Then we keep going, keep going. So we have taken our TP. We have hit our TP. So now we're actually coming to where we took our 2000 pips, our 2000 pips. So right now, as this breaker block mitigated this block right now, so now we are looking for, there's another POI here, another mitigation block here, another block created here. Here you go. So this is what I have. This is my first pullback. This is my first pullback, which serve as my inducement. This is my break of structure. This is my break of structure. Sorry. Let me just. Oh shit, man. Network. So right now, sorry, is the network, but I think I paused my recording. Thank you. I should have started from beginning because I don't know how to edit. So um, let's go down to at this block right now. We are looking for a market to sweep this by side, which market has swept. Then after liquidity has been taken, there is this place is our resistance zone. So we are going to be selling to the support zone. Then now let's look for a POI. Let's break down this zone right now. Let's break down this zone and look for a POI that we are going to be selling from. So we are going to be looking for a POI close to this block right now. This inducement. So let's go to, let's say, 1 hour time frame, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, something of that nature. So let me lock all these things. I'll still zoom my shots. Let me just get my this thing. Then network. So now let's look where. So after this POI, after this thing right now, we got this block right now. You can see this was the first block, and this was the first pullback that let me zoom this thing well so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this was the all-time high. Then we got our exchange of character. Then market reverse made our first pullback to the fair value that imbalance, feel the imbalance, then dump. So right now this block is created. So we can use this block that has this fair value gap. Here you go. You can see that this block right now is a support and resistance engulfing candles. Sure you go. So let's try using this one and see how it plays out. If it so our SL will be above this high right now, above the high. Our SL will be above the high. So let's go back to our charts. So now let's use this. See how you get a something of this nature. Can likely get a misentry, but that's not the that's not since so I guess I would sorry. So let's play the shot and see if it tag us in. Okay, sorry, let me go to forward and I don't know. The play shot will not play at that point. So let's check if it will play here. Sorry, so let's play our chart and see how it's played out. So we are in sniper entry, we are in. So now we are okay. We are aiming to right down to this liquidity, sweep of liquidity. Let me be zooming my chart. So okay, let me zoom this chart like this. So let me zoom my chart. Okay, there comes where I took my okay, let's take out this TP first. Exactly. So this is let me select this bar to here. So right now we took our TP here. We took our TP at this point. So this is how I came about getting my sniper entry. So you all know that this is a block. Now we are on a higher time frame, which is the 4 hour time frame. So right now I'm going to go to the lower time frame to refine this entry, this block right now left here for me to take a buy, which I also used my trend line analysis I use my trend line analysis to map out my zones. I use my trend line, I do call it Falcon strategy, to map out my POI. Here you go. So this is what I got. Like this is what I got. This is what I got. You see how the trend line is neat, showing you that we are actually on a downtrend. Though on the case of this downtrend, I got a lot of entry. I'm just showing you few entry you can cash on the higher time frame. You know, we are sticking to the higher time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame. But I'm showing you few entry that you can catch. So let's go down to, let's say, 15 minutes. Let's just boil down to 15 minutes, maybe even 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and more, because we need to refine this entry. So amazing, so amazing. So let's go to 5 minutes. We are still seeing lot of noise there. I'm very sorry this is happening, but I need a sniper entry, gang. We are seeing, so should we go more down further? So now you can see this block right now. Okay, we have, okay, let's go to 3 minutes time frame. Last one, last one, last one. Last but not the least. Last but not the least, let's see how 3 minutes time frame is. Okay, okay. This is the last candle. This is the last candle. So this is the last candle that corresponds with, this is the last candle that corresponds with our this thing. You can see this is the last candle that has this break of structure to the upside before the pullback. So we are going to use the candle that caused a break of structure, a change of character to the upside. Then we are going to use this liquidity gap as what they call this thing. We are going to use it as QML. I think I've made mention of this thing in some of my previous video. QML. I know this gray box will not be shining well, but I think less is manageable. So I hope you guys are not left behind. Then our TP region is very big. So I hope you are following. Please, if you are following to this extent, give a thumb ups and comments if this analysis is helpful, and comment if this analysis is helpful. So we have come to the, so let's go back to 4 hour time frame. So you can see that this first one, I think this first one is our zone, the second one is this entry. So we are going to be using the first one. So now I'm going to be using the first one. So we are going to place our entry here. Since we have refined it, then our SL, let's say 100 pips, our SL here. Then let's go to 4 hour time frame, back to 4 hour time frame. So let's zoom it in. So now let's, no, we need to bring down this thing more. So my whole analysis was to hit this TP, to hit this TP, to hit this TP with a break of structure, with a break of structure. So now this is my analysis. Though you need, if for a safer side, you can bring down your SL more. So let's play the chart and see how the charts reacted. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So you all can see how the charts reacted, how the chart reacted. So let's shift our chart to this thing right now. So we have a breakout of a trend line, and we are having a retest. So price might even be retesting, then come here, because after this block right now, another block has been created. You can refine this entry, then pull to the upside. Then let's see how it goes. Let's see how this goes. We are looking for our first pullback, our first good pullback. So I think we have gotten our first move. So price is reacting off this trend line. You can see how it's respecting it till it break it out. So we have this hidden, something like hidden block, and we have, so now we can use this candle right now. We can map out this candle for a buy, since after price took out that zone. We can map out this candle for a buy, then to continue our buy to the upside. Then let's see how it goes. So now this is an engineer liquidity. You can even use it as our main liquidity self. So let's see if price will come and tag here. Let's just put our this in our buy order. Our buy order to the upside. So our SL below this zone right now. So our TP should still remain this high. The price almost get to this TP. So let's say that okay, price came to trigger here. So now let's use oh, hold on, let's not rush the process. Let's say that this one right now, let's use this TP as its own. Let's close here, let's close this one here, then let's write this one to the our main TP. So this is actually the analysis that I caught 2000 pips to this extent. So though I caught this re-entry also, this is how I caught the re-entry. I'll show you guys how I caught the re-entry. I use this my trend line tools to map out this zone right now, then execute my entry at the breakout of this zone right now. So that is how I caught my entry. So let me wait for a breakout, then I execute my listing. Though the perfect entry is this block, then but if you want a sniper entry, wait for a breakout, then execute your entry. So let's play the chart and see how it goes. Yes, exactly. You can impute your entry here. If you go down to the lower time frame, you will see how sweet you can cash an entry here. So this is how you can cash an entry. This is how you can cash an entry. So this was the pullback at the trend line. This was the pullback at the trend line. Then it gave us a huge reversal. So you can use the body of the candle or the full block right now to map out this zone now. So this is where it will reverse. After the first pullback, it will retrace to this point. Then you snipe the entry to the upside. Hope you grab what I say right now. So let's go back to the 4 hour time frame where we are going to be executing COTP. So price will even come to this place. You can see after the first push up, this is the breakout. So let's say this is our this is our I caught a lot of entry at the long run, though I'm swinging and I'm catching a lot of entry. So I think this is a very good breaker block. This is a very good breaker block for a buy. So now you can even put more entry here, more entry here. then SL below this your breaker block. So TP to the upside. Hope you are still seeing my charts. Let's play the chart and see how it goes. Yes, we are in. We are in. We are in. The market broke itself. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So we took an L here. Okay, good and fine. So you see, we did a sniper entry. So if you are using something like BE right now, you might even it gets cut off in this zone right now. So let's continue our buy. Our buy. So market came to use this one, this block right now to buy. Show you graph. So let's continue our buy. So now to the upside, to the upside. So TP hits, and as you all can see, this is current place we are on September. This is the current place we are when we swept this. I'm still aiming for all-time high. Let's say price to take out this all-time high, which is my earlier discussion. But my discussion with my clan and the signal that I gave is to take out this zone close to the all-time high with a break of structure, which it did on Friday. So let's check when we cut this trade. We cut this trade on June on June 25, and now we swinged it to August. August, and we hit CP August, let's say August, September CP. So this is beautiful how we caught series of opportunity trading gold, trading gold. So if you calculate from here to here, you see that we are floating 2,222 pips. Okay, let's shift it here. So 221 is 2,000 plus 2,001 2,100 pips. So you can see how beautiful we caught this trade. How beautiful we caught this trade. So right now, let me show you at the group where I dropped it. So you all can see 351. We have break of structure. You see, I use 50% of this block just to a quick analysis with my phone. First pullback, break of structure. So I'm aiming to take out this high, which this was when I told them I'm in. You can see this thing. I told them I'm in here. Then we took our buy to the upside when I used the trend line. So you all can see when I told them I'm in, we did 100, and we swing to the downside. So right now we hit TP at this point. You all can see how many trade that I took here. Some trade. Okay, you can see the breakout and retest that I used to enter this trade, and how swift I took a buy. And I'm shooting a YouTube video right now on how I caught 2,000 pips trading gold. So subscribe now for more of this top-down analysis. So thank you all for sticking with me. You all are my backbone. Thank you for staying patient till I drop this kind of insights and useful analysis trading XAUUSD like a pro. God bless you all.